the seminar is called SMLQC. So it's seminars on machine learning in quantum chemistry and quantum computing for quantum chemistry, which are they are a set of online lectures and tutorials providing hands-on experience. We particularly, I really want to say this is a good idea. So I think we particularly encourage and give the platform for young scientists, young researchers like postdocs and PhDs to give the seminar here. So this means if you really have some good, know some good postdoc, good PhD student, you can really write to us, or just check this website and write to us and trying to apply the opportunity to give the seminar. I think this is very important for this young scientist, and also it's very important for us because we really can learn a lot of things from these young people. Okay, so I think if you have more questions about this seminar, you can go to this conference website. Okay, so I think the second purpose of this small seminar is we really want to bridge the symposium of this particular conference, which is called SMLQC. I think the first seminar is very successful, was very successful, which was held by Pavlo in Xiamen University. It is an excellent conference. In fact, it's really open a new field. Okay, so I think maybe this year there's a second one, which was held by Roland Lynch in Uppsala University in Sweden. So I think some of the people will go there. So I'm very happy to listen to some new lectures in the future. So I think concerning with the organizer, I think totally we are still a very young team, right? So I say it's very young. In fact, I think I'm the oldest person among these organizers, right? But anyway, whatever. So it's a set of we really have a small organizer team. I think there are many excellent scientists like Pavlo, Alexei, Julia, Max, and Arif. So Arif is still very young, right? So I think we have a very young team, and we really want to provide a very good platform for scientific discussion about machine learning in chemistry, in quantum chemistry. So I think the first speakers last time, the first is our first lecture. So was given by Arif, who is in Xiamen University working with Pavlo now. He was talking about the quantum dissipative dynamics with machine learning. And today's we have our second speaker is Max Piqueiro from Massey University. I think he will talk about discovering patterns in non-adiabatic molecular dynamics with machine learning. And he will also introduce some useful computational package. And we also have some upcoming talks which was given here, okay? So I think if you, in the future, next time, more people can get involved.